us continue classic mathematics chapter 5 data handling, that exercise 5.2. So here goes the first question. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. From the pie chart, answer the following questions. Here a pie chart is given where a survey is made. So this is the music company where the number of CDs are produced. 10%, 20% people like the semi-classical music, 10% like classical music, 30% like the folk music, and 40% of them like the light music. So in that, according to the pie chart, whatever questions are given, we are going to solve. Now first one. If 20 people like the classical music, how many young people were surveyed? In this, percentage of classical music is only 10%, and the number of people who were surveyed is not given. So 20 people is the 10% of that number. So we don't know the number. Then solution for this is, let the number be x. Let the number be x, because the how many young people were surveyed is the question, and we don't know what is the number of people which were surveyed. Now let the number be x, and 20 people were like the classical music, that is 10% of x is equal to 20. 10% of a number is 20. The number is given, x we have written, and we have to find out the total number of people who were surveyed. So 10 by 100, because 10% refers to 10 by 100, multiply by x into 20. So we will have to find out x. Now transpose this 10 by 100 to the RHS. X is equal to 20 into 100 by 10. Here we are going to write 100 by 10 because the number which is in fraction form, when it is transferred to the next side, it becomes the reciprocal of the number we are going to write here. So cancel 0 and 0 here. 20 into 10 is 200. So 200 people were surveyed. So how many number of young people were surveyed here? 200 people were surveyed. Out of them, 20 people like classical, that is nothing but 10% of the people. Now let us move on to the second question. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Once when you see, observe the pie chart, percentage is given, and here they are asking maximum. Maximum is the highest range or the highest percentage, where you can see light is 40%, semi-classical music is 20%, 10% is classical music, and folk is 30%. So after the observation, by seeing this, we can say that light music, that is 40%. 40%. Which type music is liked by the maximum number of people? Light music, 40% is liked by maximum number of people. Is liked by maximum people. Maximum people. So I do repeat once. A survey was made to find out the type of the music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. From the pie chart, answer the following question. So the chart is given here. Light music is of 40%, folk music is liked by 30%, classical music is by 10%, and semi-classical is liked by 20% of people. So 20 people. If question 1 is, if 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? That is total. No, the total number we don't know, but 10% like the classical music. So the total number be x. 10% of x is 20. 10 by 100 into x is 20. X is equal to 20 into 100 by 10, which gives you 200 people. And the second question is, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? By observation, we can say that light music, this part, light music is liked by maximum number of people, which is 40%. Now let us move on to the third question. If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? So the total number of CDs is 1000, and each type percentage is given. We should find out the number of each type. First one, according to the percentage or name you get it, first one is classical music. Classical music is given as 10%. So 10% of 1000 100 CDs they would make out of classical music. Now this second one is semi-classical. This is first, or you can call A in third question, and this one B, that is semi-classical. Semi-classical is equal to 20% of 1000. 20% of 1000. 20% of 1000 is 20 by 100 into 1000. 0 0 goes 20 into 10 is 200 series. And now third one is folk music. Folk music is liked by 30%. So 30% of 1000 gives you 30 by 100. 30% is nothing but 30 by 100 into 1000. This 20 goes 30 into 10 is 300. And the last one, fourth, is light music. Light music, which is equal to 40% of 1000. So 40% of 1000 is 40 by 100 into 1000. 20 goes 40 into 10 is 400. So the total number of series were 1000, and here 100, 200, 300 and 400 makes 1000. That means out of 1000, 100 are of classical, 200 are of semi-classical, 300 is of folk music, and light music is of 400. So number of series are calculated by taking out the percentage out of total. Now let us move on to the second question. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons, rainy, winter and summer. Here the three seasons are given in this chart, in this table. Summer season is liked by, this is number of people. Number of people were asked to vote, that is 90 people like the summer, 120 people like the rainy and 150 like the winter. So according to the given chart, given table, the number is here 90 is summer, 120 is rainy, 150 is winter. Now by observing this table, we should answer this following questions and draw a pie chart. As you can see, pie chart is not given here. We should draw after calculation. So first, let me solve first question. Which season? This is one out. This is second question. We have three sub questions. The first one is, which season got the most votes? So by observation, we can see that the winter has got the highest vote, that is 150 votes. And total number of votes is here. Total is equal to 0 0 0 9 plus 2 11 plus 5 16 360. So the total number of votes are 360, out of which 150 like the winter season. Which season has got the most votes? Winter season has got 150 votes. 150 votes, which is highest. And find second question. Find the central angle of each sector. So whenever you are going to draw a pie chart, a pie is nothing but a circle which is of 360 degree. Here we are going to find the angle which belongs to each sector. For example, 90. What is the number of people are 90? But what is the angle that we should find out? First one is, in this A, we have summer. Summer season has number of people are 90. Out of 360 people, here I will write here number of people divided by total number of people. Number of people divided by total number of people. Or you can say that people who has chosen summer. People who has chosen summer. This is not compulsory to write this, but to make you understand, I am writing people who has chosen summer. And total number of people. So people who has chosen is 90 divided by 360. 360 is not a degree here. 360 is total number of people. Multiply by 360 degree, because we are going to find this in terms of angle. So the complete angle is 360 degree. 360 goes 90 degree That means the summer season has got 90 degree out of 360 degree. And here next one is B, rainy. Rainy is equal to, rainy season has 120 people chosen rainy out of total 360 multiplied by 360 degree. So this is 120 degree. Now C1 is winter is equal to 150 has chosen they have voted for winter divided by 360 into 360 degree. So this 360 goes 150 degree is the degree for winter out of 360. Now here we need to draw a circle because we need to draw a pie chart, and to show this information here first we draw a circle. Taking a point here, draw a circle because we need to draw this using protractor because we should get accurate measurement. Draw a circle. So this is the circle which is drawn using this compass. And now point here, draw a straight line to draw the first angle. Now from here we can mark first summer season, that is 90 degree. Using a protractor, keep this at the center and mark 90 degree over here. This is summer, 120 degree, sorry 90 degree, 90 degree. And now from here, keeping this as 0, we should start actually 0 here because we have array this side. Take 150, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, sorry 90, 100, 110, 120. Somewhere here. This is 120 degree of rainy season. You can mark with any shade also, and this last part is 150 degree. If you want, I will show you. This is 150 degree. Somewhere here. Here. This is your winter season. So this is the drawing of pie chart. Draw a pie chart to show this information. 90 degrees of summer, 120 degrees of rainy, and 150 is of winter. Thank you children. In our next video we will continue with the next problem.